Hey, welcome back to PQF Academy. I want to say thank you guys for liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, and sharing the videos or the channel to your friends, co-workers, relatives, or anybody that wants to learn how to sew, start a business, and also learn financial literacy within the sewing niche, as they would say, making handbags, right? So today, I know we're going to. I've been trying to get back to the other bag, the one bag I made for the customer, but it's been a little bit difficult for me. And the reason why is because we don't really have to make a big pattern since we already have the pattern already. Um, so I would want to show you a certain different type of method as far as like pricing your items. And I'm still working and learning how to do that on the computer and also have my face recording as I'm showing you in real time how to do those pricings. So, but in the same concept with the same pattern, with I mean the zipper, like how we're doing the top zipper right now, we're doing all things top zippers. So we're going to make like a I don't know, I think they'll call it like a weekend bag with using this pattern. You can make one with using this pattern. It doesn't have to be too complicated or anything of that nature. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to go ahead and create a new pattern for it. And also with this one, we're also going to make a zipper pocket. Okay, it's not going to be on the inside. It's going to be on the outside of the bag, but it's still going to be a zipper pocket. So we're going to go ahead and do that. I know my last video when I was asking people, hey, if you want to see it, just say zipper. I got a lot of responses for people saying zipper. So we're going to go ahead and do that. We're going to do a zipper pocket, okay? Also, I do want to say I do have something in the works for you guys. So I want you guys to stay tuned. Keep liking the videos, keep subscribing to the videos, and keep sharing the videos, all right? So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to start out with the body. So this is going to actually be the exterior and the main piece, okay? So we're looking at about 17 inches tall. So my ruler only goes to 15, right? So I'm going to go do this all the way 15. Then I'm going to come up here. Put 2 more inches. So I can come up here, do about 2 more inches. So make it 17. All right. Now it's going to be 20 inches across. Get that straightened. All right. So that's there. So it's going to be about 20 inches. So 20. Come across. All right. So put that to the side. I'm going to mark 20 inches by 17. Now, because we're gonna put tabs on this also, so we're gonna be doing our thing. Sorry, gonna do our thing that I like to do. But this one is going to be. Let's make it an inch. No, we can make a point. Let's make it an inch. Yep. So we're gonna do an inch down and an inch across. So actually, I want to come through this way. So this is going to be up top right here is going to be 1 inch. Okay. Over here on the opposite side also, we're going to do it again, another 1 inch. Now, remember, if you don't like doing it this way, like this, and then coming over here and redrawing it because you're scared it won't be symmetrical, what you can do is like I always like to tell people, is once we cut this out, you can do it on one side. Once we cut this out, then you can fold it in half. And then once you fold it in half, then you can, excuse me, then you can go ahead and cut it that way. But me, I like to play dangerous, so 1.5 by 1.5. All right, now our favorite bottom. Our favorite bottom is going to be 3 inches. All right, our favorite bottom is going to be 3 inches. Sorry, guys. So we're going to do 3 inches high and 3 inches high and 3 inches lengthwise. So 3 inches wide and 3 inches length. Do the exact same thing on the other side, but remember, if you don't want to do it that way, if you don't want to do it the way that I'm doing it, you can always cut it in half. I mean, you can always fold it in half after you cut it. All right. Okay, now, so I have a little bit of room over here, so I'm gonna see if what else I could, because I have to do I want to do the zipper pocket. Okay. I want to do the zipper pocket, and I'm going to see if I can, let me see, because the zipper pocket that I'm going to do is going to be 10 inches, so I can't do that on here. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and get this cut out, and then I'm going to grab another piece of, cardboard paper or poster paper, and then we're going to draw the pocket, okay? The zipper pocket. Well, before I cut it out, I'm going to, exterior, cut 2, lining, cut 2. Okay, so I went ahead and did that, and we're gonna go ahead and, like I said, I'll meet you back over here. All right, so I got a new poster board paper. One thing about me is that I do not throw anything away. All right, I don't throw anything away whatsoever. So this poster board paper have already been used, but hey, I can make my pattern out of it. Now, one thing. So the zipper pocket that we're going to use, I'm going to use about a 7-inch zipper pocket. So 7-inch zipper, I should say. All right. So in the front of it, it's something like I want to be able to fit like my passport into it if it needs to go in there, my cell phone in there, my boarding pass, something if I want to get it quickly, it's in my front pocket that I'm going to be making. So I want at least to have enough room to be able to put that in there. And I think 7 inches is pretty good to be in there, right? So typically when you're going to do a zipper pocket, whatever the zipper length is, you kind of want an additional like maybe 3 inches. So that's why I'm going to do 10. All right. Some people do 2. Some people will do like 9. Excuse me. Some people will do a 9-inch pocket. I'm going to do a 10-inch pocket. All right. So I got it lined up. So I'm going to make it so it's going to be 10 inches by 18, right? Because what happens when we're doing the zipper pocket, we are going to fold it. So it would technically be, when we fold it, it's going to be 9 inches. Okay. The pocket depth of the pocket. All right. So I got 10 inches across and 18 inches in length. All right. So as of right now, that's the only 2 patterns that we need. The crazy thing about making these, well, let me go ahead and erase this so I won't get messed up. So I'm going to put zipper pocket, 10 inches. Oh, nope, this one's 18 inches actually. So 18 and 10 inches, all right? So as I was saying, one thing about making this pattern, a lot of the stuff that by using this pattern, remember, this is one pattern, many bags. But as you can see, all the patterns that we made so far, either whether they're smaller, bigger, larger, lengthwise or things of that nature, is basically roughly the same pattern. Everything is almost interchangeable if you haven't seen that already. So this is why we only need this pattern, these two things for this pattern, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it out, and I will meet you back face to face. And just like that, we're done making our pattern. We only needed to make two new patterns today because a lot of the stuff that we are already making is, like I said, all of it's interchangeable, okay? So like for this pattern, we're going to need our tabs. We're going to need our tab pattern. We're going to need our one of our strap patterns, I should say, not bag, sorry, one of our strap patterns. It doesn't matter which one it is for this one. However you want your handle to feel on your hand is completely up to you. All right, so either one that you can use, okay? We're also going to need our slip pocket that we created. We're also going to need the two patterns that we created. Our zipper pocket. Once again, I don't have it in front of me, but we're gonna have to make a 7-inch zipper because I don't think I have one. But we're also gonna need a 7-inch zipper for this. All right. So you're gonna need a 7-inch zipper, your zipper pocket. You're also going to need your main bag pattern, which is also going to be your exterior and your lining. Also, you're going to need. Also, this is one thing I do want to share. I should say. So remember, from here to here, when we did it, it was 20 inches. Now, when I put this down onto here, and I measure this out, it's 18 inches now. So when it comes down to the zipper, I'm going to start to write onto the bag right here. Zipper. So if it's 18 inches, I'm going to want to create or have, I don't know if we can find it, I'm going to say a 16-inch zipper is what I'm going to want now. Okay, I'm going to want a 16-inch zipper because that gives me a little bit of room on here for us to be able to close the bag up and things of that nature. And it does not, if you're going to use a metal zipper or things of that nature. Matter of fact, that's what I'm thinking of. I'm thinking of a metal zipper. If you're going to use a nylon zipper, you can actually have it be 17 inches. So that's what I'm going to use, a nylon zipper. So I'm going to have zipper, 17-inch zipper. All right. I'm going to put that up top there. So mark that on there so you can know what type of zipper you're going to put on here. So we're going to do a 17-inch zipper, a nylon zipper. As we start to progress, we're actually going to get into making our own zipper and our zipper pools and things of that nature. As of right now, I just want you to go out and just buy a zipper, a nylon zipper, whatever color you want it to be, and we're going to cut it and make it into a 17-inch zipper, okay? As of right now. So there's excuse me, I'm so sorry. There's steps that we're going to take when we get to this thing, all right? So for this bag, we're going to need a 17-inch zipper. Also, we're going to need our rivets. Okay. We're also going to need we're going to need 4 clasps. Okay. We're going to need 2 of the clasps that we're going to need is on the bag, and the other 2 is going to be on the strap. So whenever you decide to create a new strap, you can use this class. Make it with another class. So like I'm going to show you how, like I said, everything is exchangeable. I'm not going to make another adjustable strap because we've already made it, but I am going to show you at the end how it looks with the adjustable strap that we've made already. So I've already made an adjustable strap, and however the length you want that strap to be, that's completely up to you. I think the adjustable strap that we made last time is a pretty good length, so I can be able to, put it across my body and things of that nature. You're also going to need either an O-ring or a D-ring. Make sure it's about 1 inch D-ring, 1 inch O-ring, and also a 1-inch clasp. A 1-inch clasp. So whatever you decide to get, O-ring or D-ring, making sure it's just 1 inch, okay? I'm trying to figure out, do we need anything else besides our fabric and our interfacing? Now with this bag, depending on however you want the feel of the bag to be, if you want it to be, we've already used SF101. We also use fusible interfacing. I should say, sorry. We use FS101 woven interfacing, and we use a fusible fleece. So we're going to use one of those two, okay? If you're doing it with cotton. You can also make this bag in faux leather, okay? We did touch on a faux leather just a little bit. I think I may make this in faux leather. I'm not really sure as of right now. Excuse me, I'm so sorry. Still fighting this cold. But I'm not sure if I'm going to make it in faux leather or as we start to get further down, start to get more in depth into faux leather, and how to use it, and making some of the bags that we're making possibly in faux leather again. So yeah. If you have any questions, don't be scared, or don't hesitate to write them in the comments. Like I said, I always try to comment back to everybody. Um, like I had said before, um, every 500 subscribers, I'm going to do a giveaway. It may be a bag, or it may be something that I'm working on at the moment. That might be part of the giveaway also, and I think it's going to be part of the giveaway. Okay, so either way, every 500 subscribers, once we reach 1,500 subscribers, I'm gonna do another giveaway. When we reach 2,000 subscribers, I'm gonna do another giveaway. And I think I'm gonna constantly do this all up until we get to about 3,000 subscribers, and then every 1,000 subscribers, I'll do a big giveaway. Okay. So if you like today's video, please like, subscribe, and share the video. As always, thank you for tuning in to PQF Academy.